Hey y'all, it's Sarah, and this week I'm going to be doing a brief book review on Boston Jane, An Adventure by Jennifer L. Holm. Westerns are typically a genre that makes people picture dry, barren scenery, small towns, cowboys, Indians, and torturous travel. What's often ignored is part of the Western frontier that was green, luscious, plagued with constant rain, and still torturous to travel to, the Pacific Northwest. Perfectly suited for those middle school readers, 6th through 8th grade, Boston Jane, An Adventure is an adventurous story of a young, naive 16-year-old girl as she travels and lives in the very rough Oregon Territory. Though the author took liberties with real settlers in Shoalwater Bay, their story is completely fiction. Jane is a stereotypical innocent embarking on a journey who willingly leaves Philadelphia to marry a man she has only known through letters and his brief time apprenticing under her doctor father. She completely changes to fit into the category of a young lady, something that William, her eventual fiancé, manipulates her into doing. It is hard to observe a girl changing everything she is to suit the wants of a man instead of staying true to her opinionated, educated self. When she spends most of her time in Shoalwater Bay, Sans fiancé, Jane is forced to realize she cannot be a proper young lady in the frontier. Instead, to survive the challenges before her, she must become a pioneer woman. This Western is filled with adventure, romance, and self-discovery. Watching Jane change and grow can be cringeworthy at times. Her constant referral to Native Americans as savages shows how deeply ingrained prejudice was in many American people. Luckily, she quickly learns there's nothing savage about them, and her personal growth is astounding. Boston Jane would be excellent for any middle school library. It has the ability to show readers what life would be like for a young girl in the mid-1800s, both in a populated city and the American frontier, and demonstrates personal growth can always happen even when you're taught wrong your entire life. The series continues for 2 more books, Boston Jane Wilderness Days and Boston Jane The Claim. The trilogy would be perfect for any middle school classroom. I hope you all enjoyed this. I'll see you all next time.